The guys from Leica and Pulsar are at Braces of Bristol's rifle range to talk about their new thermal scopes and spotters. Here's Mark Karn from Leica showing off his new Calonox sight.
First he had a look at our Calonox sight on the rifle scope, and he picked up some deer, and then he said, okay, can I have a look at an observation device? So I showed him the Calonox View, and then what I was trying to show him was we have an app for the sight and an app for the view, and I was recording on my phone via the app what he was looking at out in the field, and of course it's pitch black. You cannot see nothing until you start looking through thermal. You've zeroed your rifle scope as you would normally. When you attach our thermal Calonox sight, within the menu you calibrate it so the optical alignment is together. And what I was trying to show him was that once you've done all that, you can take it off, you could use it as a viewing device, and then you can put it straight back on. You know where the settings are, and it will hold that optical alignment.
Price for the Calonox View is £3,950, and this image from Mark's phone shows a distance of 696 metres. A few feet away is TJ Tom from Thomas Jacks, the firm that looks after Pulsar in the UK. Tom brings along the new Digex C50, the only one in the UK at the time. They hope to have them in the shops by Christmas, and the replacement for the Digex N450.
So here, Charlie, I've got the new Digex C50 from Pulsar, which is their first colour black and white night vision scope. So it's full colour in the day and into twilight hours. And then obviously you switch to black and white mode at the night. Same principle as the previous Digexes, the same body. Comes with the IR, or you've actually got an option that you can buy as a standalone unit, because most people tend to put an additional IR in now. Same sort of principle, same sort of menu buttons, encoder wheel, and on the front here, just in front of the focus, which everyone's used to, you've got sort of your aperture, so you can change from sort of daytime mode to nighttime mode.
Does it record?
It does, yeah.
Cool.
So like all Pulsar gear, they have a record functions, and they also take still images. This is actually a prototype. So we've got two of these currently at Thomas Jacks. One's actually over in Ireland for a load of our demos over there. But these are a prototype. So in terms of the actual image, they're 100%, but the software is still a bit glitchy, which they're going to obviously improve. But we were that desperate to get one over once they released it. So yeah, hence why it's here.
The Digex C50 standalone unit has an RRP of £1,089, or it comes with its own infrared lamp for £1,239. You can find out more about these units on the Thomas Jacks and Leica websites, links in the description below, and you can buy them both from our host this evening, Braces of Bristol.
It's a nice opportunity to really have a decent conversation with the customers without them feeling like you're trying to flog them something. It's a good opportunity to have a variety of brands where the customers can sort of compare between them, and I think with night vision and thermal, there's only so much you can show them in the shop. You really need to be outside where they can sort of see it in action as it would be if they were to be using it themselves.
For more from Braces, visit bracesofbristol.com.